Hi friends, welcome to Everyday Moves. I am your teaching artist, Miss Nami. Let's have fun moving and imagining together. Today, we'll make shakers and explore rhythm with sound. All you need is an empty plastic bottle and a little bit of rice. Let's gently pour the rice inside. Make sure the top is closed tight. Now let's move our whole body with our shakers. Let's move our shakers very slowly. Now shake fast. Let's make it quiet. Now louder. What does your shaker sound like? Does it sound like rain or ocean waves? How does it make your body feel? Calm or excited? Now let's swing your arms forward and back. Swish, swish. Did the sound change? Let's shake high, middle, and side. High, middle, side, and middle. Now let's shake faster. Let's try again. High, middle, side, middle. Now let's make a circle with our shakers. Shake again. Listen carefully. How about to the side? The other side. Let your shakers sound like rain coming down. Excellent! Let's learn some new words before we start our dance. Rhythm, a pattern of sounds or movements that repeats. Tempo, how fast or slow the sound or movement is. Dynamics, tell us if the sound or movement feels soft or strong. Let's shake our shakers and bounce. Now step to one side and make circle with your shakers. Slow and quiet. March in place and shake your shakers however you want. Jump forward and shake them up high. Jump back and shake them down low. Now lift your shakers up and let them rain all the way down. Let's try again. Bounce and shake. Step to one side and make a circle. Step to one side and make a circle. And to the other side as well. March in place. Shake your shakers however you want. Jump forward and shake them high. Jump back, shake them low. Jump forward and shake them up high. Jump back and shake them down low. Now lift your arms up and let them rain all the way down. Excellent. Now let's try with music. Let's try one more time and have fun with your shakers. Thank you for dancing with me. Keep shaking your shakers. Which instrument sounds like your shaker? Maracas? Tambourine? Triangle? That's right, maracas.